Good evening to one and all. I am Rishita, Become Computer second year. I want to explain about mode. Mode can be explained as mode are the modal value is that value in the series of your observations which occurs with the greatest frequency. In the simple terms, mode is the more repeating value of the series and mode cannot be used for further mathematical calculations but still it is used for more extensively in the day-to-day problems, and also mode can be used for the calculation of a model size of items and such as model size of shoes, watches, garments and dresses or etc. And its applications are in the field of a science, biology, meteorology, business and industry or etc. Let us we know about the limitations of mode. First one is the value of mode cannot always be determined. In some cases, we may have the binomial series. And second one, it is not capable further mathematical calculations. And third one is the value of mode is not based on the each and every item of the series. And fourth one is in fact mode is the most unstable average and its value is difficult to determine it. And fifth one is it is the fluctuating average as it is depending upon a selections of a range of the class intervals. Thank you.